From here we can go to Muifang Peak. This looks like a very clean village. Now we are heading towards Muifang Peak. So vehicles can go to the midpoint only. The road is very narrow, so we have to walk a little bit. I think it's not that much far. This is the view. It's around 800-900 meters from the main road. Now you can see something like this. This is the view from Muifang Peak. This is it. It's really beautiful. So it's very near to Muifang tourist resort. If you are coming to the tourist resort, you can visit this place as well.